In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove labels from your Gmail inbox. Staying organized in your email is essential, especially when you're receiving a high volume of messages. Labels are incredibly useful for categorizing your emails, but sometimes they can become cluttered or outdated. By removing unnecessary labels, you can streamline your inbox and ensure that your important emails are easier to find. First, let's log in to your Gmail account. Go to your web browser and type in gmail.com. Once there, enter your email address and password and click on the Sign In button. This will take you straight to your Gmail inbox. Now, take a look at the left-hand side of the page where you typically see your list of labels. Scroll down if necessary until you find the one you want to remove. Hover over this label and you'll notice 3 vertical dots appearing to the right of the label name. Go ahead and click on these dots to see a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select the option that says Remove Label. Once you click on it, Gmail will ask you to confirm your action. A prompt will appear saying something like, "Are you sure you want to remove this label?" It's important to note that removing a label doesn't delete the emails associated with it. Your emails will remain in your inbox or wherever they're stored unless you decide to delete them separately. If you're sure you want to proceed, simply click Remove. This action is typically instantaneous, and you'll notice that the label will disappear from your list. If you happen to have multiple labels you want to remove, repeat the same steps for each label. This helps keep your Gmail system clean and manageable, focusing your attention on the labels that are actively useful to your workflow. A tip to ensure effectiveness is to periodically review your labels and determine which ones are necessary. Now, if you'd like to customize or rename any remaining labels, you can do so by clicking on the same 3 dots and selecting Edit. This feature allows you to change the name or color of the label, making it easier to identify. That brings us to the end of this guide. Removing labels might seem like a small change, but it's a significant step toward achieving a tidier inbox. Thank you for watching, and I hope you now feel more in control of your email organization. Make sure to subscribe for more tips on enhancing your digital experience, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance. Have a great day.